Urine is what's left over after your kidneys have finished cleaning your blood. Urine collects in the bladder. Urine is not good for your kidneys if it moves back up from your bladder. That's why you have to keep emptying your bladder 4 to 6 times a day as appropriate. When you are emptying your bladder, take your time. You don't want to leave any urine behind because that could lead to an infection. This video shows you how to empty your bladder. It's quite easy once you know how. Always start by washing your hands with soap and water. Remember to wash your thumbs. Make sure you have everything you need before you start. You'll need a catheter that's the right size and a urine bag. You'll also need some mild soap, moist towelettes, a drape, and perhaps something to hold your clothing away from your body. Start by removing the label that covers the sticky spot on the package. Press the spot onto a clean surface. Make sure the package is hanging straight down and that it's easy to read when you're ready. Open the package by pulling the ring outwards and then downwards. To avoid spilling the liquid inside the package, stop pulling as soon as you see the entire colored funnel. Connect the urine bag to the end of the colored funnel on the catheter. Then put the bag somewhere safe. Arrange your clothes so you can get to your urethra easily. If you can, always try to urinate on your own before using your catheter. To stop bacteria from getting into your urethra and bladder when you use the catheter, you must clean the head of your penis properly but gently. To avoid getting your clothes wet, put a drape under your penis. Gently pull your foreskin back if needed. Wash the head of your penis in a circular motion. Start in the middle and work your way outwards. Use each moist towelette only once. From this point, keep holding your foreskin back and don't let your clothes touch the head of your penis. Take the catheter out of the package. The first 2 inches by the colored funnel end are not slippery, so it's easier for you to hold. Make sure the catheter does not touch anything before you insert it into the urethra. If it comes into contact with surfaces like a sink or your clothes, it could potentially cause an infection and should be thrown away. A new catheter must be used. Hold your penis pointing upwards and keep it close to your stomach. This will make your urethra change into a shape like a U, which makes pushing in the catheter easier. Squeeze the head of your penis very gently to open the urethra. Don't squeeze too hard, otherwise the catheter won't be able to pass through. It's important that you relax to make the insertion of the catheter as easy as possible. Slowly and gently push the catheter into your urethra. Keep pushing. You may feel some resistance from your sphincter muscle, so push gently. Keep pushing until the urine starts to come out. Keep going for 1 more inch. Then, very slowly, pull the catheter out. If your catheter has a straight tip, turn it slowly while pulling it out. Stop each time more urine comes out. Then you can be sure that your bladder is completely empty. When you've finished, throw the catheter and packaging in a trash container. Do not flush it down the toilet. Also, throw the drape away. Wash your hands, and you're done. Important note: the catheterization procedure must always be carried out under guidance from a healthcare professional. The instructions provided in this film are only intended as follow-up to advice you've already been given.